Oh, baby, what's your name? Go, girl, it's your birthday. Say I. And we don't buy no drinks at the bar.
Okay, y'all, it's currently 6:31, which means, well, I'm done. If my camera focus, okay, so this is the outfit for today. This from Shein. I don't know where this is from, but yeah. And then I don't know what I'm gonna wear for my shoes. We're not gonna look down there yet, but this is so freaking cute. And then I just have on this silver necklace my mom got me. Pandora charm, ring. Yeah, my hair's done. This style eats. It's so cute, and the edges are done. So now make sure all my paperwork is together. And let me open up my blinds. I need to make sure all my paperwork is together. I need to get out all the jitters because I'm nervous. Like, I'm really nervous. I need to get all my nervous jitters. I'm so freaking nervous. It's my birthday. I need to my lips are crusty. Don't mind. I just moisturized, and I moisturized my lips too, and now they just look dry. But I think it's just a test. Just read. You're gonna get it. I always doubt myself, and I always just go for it. So I'm gonna go for it. But I don't know what shoes I'm gonna wear. Hold on. These right here with the red in the back. Okay, y'all, I'm done. I need some lip gloss on my lips, so they're still crusty. I just outlined them, so not too much. This is the fit. Oh snap. Yeah, the red matches the red in the back of the shoes. Yeah, I think this outfit's really freaking, not even gonna lie to you. I know how to put some together. But I'm gonna go downstairs. I'm gonna grab all my stuff, and then yeah, I might practice a little bit. My appointment's at 8, so we're gonna leave it at 7:20. Okay, so I left for my rope test. At first it was nervous, but when I got in there, the lady was so funny and just calm and like a regular person. And so, but when we got out here, it totally switched. She was like, okay, we on go mode now. Now ain't no laughing, ain't no goofing around. It's serious. So I got serious, and she was just like, we did all pre-inspections or whatever. She took me to the back. We did a 3-point turn, emergency stop, a parallel back. We went to a neighborhood type thing where houses were. We went to intersections, stuff like that. And so yeah, it was real quiet. And so she wasn't writing down nothing. The only thing I knew, one thing that I did wrong, which I couldn't stop it at that point. It was just either it is what it is. But other than that, I basically, if I didn't do that, I would have passed with 100%. But if I did that one thing, so I got a point off for that. But I passed. It's official. I am now licensed. Don't tell them until I get there.
It's official. I am now licensed.
I am now licensed. I can't wait, bro. Vroom, vroom. Don't play with me. Yeah. I look so cute today. But yeah. Now I'll see you when I get back to the house, because this is a reply to all y'all messages and I feel bad that I haven't got back to it. So. It's official. I am now licensed. No. Now I'm gonna go get my passport for Mexico. Yeah. Today's been a good day. 16. Oh, wait, it's 10:47. The sun is hitting. Sweet heat burger, cream cheese, jalapenos, bacon, lettuce. Yeah, this looks so good. Now I gotta take a picture. Hey y'all, okay, so I'm back at home. My appointment's an hour and 30 minutes, and so y'all can call me like, y'all can say I'm a wimp or whatever. I got this off of TikTok, not TikTok shop, but this tattoo numbing cream is called Tattoo Numbing Cream Co. Look it up on TikTok. Everybody says that once you put this on, you can't feel jack crap. Like, and I really want to try it because my tattoo is a little big. And I'm a little nervous. So we're going to put this on. Just to go wash, like, my arm. Just to get all the lotion and stuff off. And yeah. I'm going to use a razor. I'm just going to, like, scrub, I guess. I'm gonna use Dr. Bronner's. I say the name, but I use this. It's literally basically gone, but I love using this for my body. It cleans really good, so I'm gonna use it. Alright. Let's.
Oh yeah.
Ooh. It's nice in here. It's real nice in here. Leather seat too. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna catch y'all later.
The scariest part is when the gun starts. It's the sound. You want something for your eyes? Turn the TV on, just something to distract your mind a little bit.
Yeah.
Get another one.
I hope that's true.
Okay. Like I said, it's just gonna feel like a little pinch. Back?
They want that. Wait a minute. Hold on.
I know. I'm just pulling the skin back tight. You ready?
Yeah. I didn't put number cream at the bottom.
Well, you ain't doing too bad. It's red. It's just you're gonna see that purple stencil until I keep wiping it.
It feels like a rug burn.
Yeah, that's what I said. Like that carpet burn kind of feeling.
And if it's staying in one spot, then it starts to hurt more. But if you're moving it, it's not that bad.
That's what I said. You're gonna.
Ooh. Oh, Mom! If I say something one time, I promise you, please don't hold it against me. It was one small cuss word. It might just be the S word. To show Dad. What you mean? The other one's on the bone, like on exactly on the bone. Why are you waiting on that? But y'all wouldn't really see me. Y'all, I'm not getting copyrighted. I got my, oh my God, when I tell you, oh, that when she first started, my stuff was numb, okay? It was numb, it was good. It was like, okay. See, by the wrist part, I didn't numb that part because I didn't think I was gonna get it done. But, she started there and that, oh, that hurt so bad. But like, it was tolerable, whatever. Then it go back numb because, you know, the numbing cream was in the middle. We get up here, numbing cream, I ain't put no number. I can tell why I didn't put no numbing cream because baby, but I was taking it like a G though, because I was just sitting there like this, vibing to J. Cole. Like, I really think I can just, I give this tattoo on a pain level like a 4, like a solid 4. But it hurt a lot in most spots, I'm not gonna lie. What I'm gonna do is I'm finna to go plug y'all in real quick so I can get some more battery. Like, W birthday. Girl, get the yes, okay.
Can't see no English. That's Mom.
Oh, this is Mom's? Okay.
But I do have 2 years from now too.
Happy birthday, Zy. The lighting is good. Well, mine ain't. Okay. Yay. Happy Sweet 16, Zy. Jewelry? Hold on. That's a lot. Oh my God. What does this one smell like? Okay, I smell it through the thing, but what is that? Shea butter. You bought it? Oh my God. I have another one. Yes. Now, what am I supposed to do? Okay. Oh, this one's pretty. It's all, oh, sorry. We're gonna, from the bottom. Okay. Duh. Really? Happy Sweet 16. This is cute. This is too cute.
Open your, no, I'm opening my gifts in the car.
Okay, hold on. I've never heard of this Barzo. Like the bag you got me. An iPad pen.
It's called a stylus. No one calls it an iPad. Who calls it an iPad?
I don't know, me. Wait. Is this for my Pandora ring? Do not fear, for I'm with you. Is this a Bible one? Like a, oh, that's so cute. This a new bouquet.
If you look dust, thank you.
For everything. Oh. Hey girl. I'm a big bag, so guess where I'm at? McDonald's. They told me to pull up because I'm waiting on my quarter pounder, but my tat still burns, but it doesn't burn as bad anymore. But it's really good. I got so many compliments. I love it so much. It's 4 of them. There's the other one. But I'm gonna get this food. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna talk to y'all. Then I'm gonna end this vlog off because it's 8:02. I got school tomorrow. I'm tired. But I enjoyed my birthday. I swear I did. I'm gonna show y'all what I got though. I'm gonna go home. Hey y'all. Okay, I am back and my camera is finna die. But here are my gifts that she got me. I got them over here. But I just wanted to come in here and end the vlog out. I really hope you enjoyed my birthday vlog. I did too. I love my birthday. I was very thankful for everything I got. I was very surprised. Everything, like all the messages and stuff. Like, I really appreciate that. I really love y'all. Thank y'all for just, you know, coming on this journey. And by journey, I mean my life. I'll see y'all next time.